May God's peace, mercy, and blessings be upon you. Welcome, dear viewers, with Abdo Cooks Recipes. Today's recipe is fried kibbeh. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button. Let's get started. Ingredients. Filling ingredients: minced meat, 1 kilo obesity, a cup spice, half a teaspoon cinnamon, half a teaspoon ground salt, 1 teaspoon pine nuts, 2 tablespoons roasted meat, 1 kilo lean meat bulgur, 1 kilo fine onion, 1 piece salt, a tablespoon spices, half a teaspoon cinnamon, half a teaspoon ground black pepper, half a teaspoon ground oil, 6 cups large for frying kibbeh. How to prepare: finely chop the meat with the meat grinder twice. Soak the bulgur in water, then drain it. Finely chop the onion. I like the onions with the meat. Add spices to the meat and bulgur. Grind it again with the meat grinder. Add a cup of cold water to the kibbeh dough. Gradually, while kneading. When the dough becomes firm and sticky, leave it aside and cover it with a piece of cloth so that it stays wet and does not dry out. To prepare the filling, finely chop the onion. Put a frying pan on the fire. Add obesity. Sauté the onions over moderate heat. Then add the meat and spices. Stir until the meat is cooked. Divide the kibbeh dough into medium-sized pieces. Then make a cavity in each piece by digging it with your finger. Then fill it with a little of the meat filling. Arrange the kibbeh pieces in a tray until the kibbeh pieces are finished. Heat the oil in a deep frying pan over medium heat. Then add the kibbeh pieces one by one and stir after 2-3 minutes of placing them in the hot oil. Serve the fried kibbeh hot. Good appetite!